Hi there and welcome. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to take your career to the next level? Or have you recently missed out on that promotion? Maybe you just want to prepare to climb the corporate ladder or step up as a key player in your team. If so, you have reached the right place. You've got the drive, you've got ambition, you know you're capable of more, but you feel like something's missing. That one piece of the puzzle that could turn your potential into results, leading to career progression. You may be thinking of a business degree, but other commitments are preventing you. So here's the truth from personal experience. In today's world, understanding business isn't optional. It's absolutely essential. It does not come from just a business degree. Employers, clients don't just want experts, they want problem solvers. Leaders who think the big picture, think strategically, and deliver solutions. And that's exactly Agnes' mastery of business acumen comes in with practical business skills to fill that gap. It's time to go from good to great. Are you ready? Let's make it happen. Here is the problem. You are a certified professional and you have already achieved so much in your career. But let me ask you this. Do you understand the why, the how, and what makes a business tick? Have you faced a situation where you weren't sure about the best way to solve a business problem? Maybe you wondered, do I understand the underlying causes of the problem rather than the symptoms? What are the consequences of my decisions? If you have felt this way, you're not alone. We've all been there. But here's the good news. Business acumen is a skill anyone can develop. I've been in your shoes, and for the last 30 years, I've guided professionals like you through this journey. I know the challenges you face, the opportunities waiting for you, and most importantly, how to help you succeed. Welcome to Agna Academy. My name is Girish Hebbani. So what is business acumen? Have you ever worked with someone who just gets it? You know, the business savvy type. They understand how the business works, how to make money, and how all the pieces fit together. More importantly, how to get along with people, especially the right ones. They're the ones who always seem to progress in their career rather well. They have all the answers and consistently make the right decisions. Here's the thing, that ability to connect the jigsaw puzzle of business, it's not luck. It's not instinct either. It's business acumen. And guess what? It's a skill you can develop too. So what is business acumen? It's the ability to make informed decisions. It's about balancing thinking, analysis, and execution in a way that drives results, helping the business make money, not break it. Your business acumen, trust me on this, makes a real impact in your career. Just think about your current role. You may be focused on one area, engineering, operations, finance, or marketing. Like I did, have you ever stopped and thought, how does my organization function as a whole? How does what I do connect to the bigger business goals? How can I contribute more by improving my value to the business? And how do I get noticed? It comes down to knowing the core components. The core components are customer focus, deliver what matters to your customers, competitor intelligence, know what your competitors are doing and stay one step ahead, strategic awareness, see the industry and the market trends, operational insight, what are the drivers of productivity and value in the organization, financial literacy, know the numbers, understand money, people and performance, how to maximize human potential. These components are like puzzle pieces, and when you put them together, they give you a very clear picture. Why business acumen matters. Have you ever been in a meeting where decisions were made that didn't quite make sense to you? Or maybe you've had a brilliant idea, one you knew could work. You either remained silent or struggle to get others to buy in. These moments can be frustrating. I've been there and we have done that. But business acumen isn't just a buzzword. It's the ability to understand, contribute, and communicate in a way that drives results. Here's how it helps. You will understand the key drivers and how different parts of the business connect and depend on each other. You will learn to spot opportunities and prepare for potential obstacles before they become problems. You will be able to speak the language of decision makers, making it easier to gain trust and buy-in. So when you have these skills, you're no longer just a participant in the room. You are a contributor who's seen as someone who delivers value. Join us and let's build those skills that will set you apart. Before going further, have you ever felt like you needed a clearer understanding of what's happening around you? Whether it's in your industry, your organization, your boss, or even your own team, or felt the need for insights, secrets, or ability to read in between the lines. Awareness isn't something you're just born with. It's something you build over time. Awareness is a skill that spans across multiple areas. Industry, staying informed about what's happening within the industry. Organizational, aligning work with management priorities. Team dynamics, understanding how your team functions. Self-growth, recognizing your strengths and blind spots. Risk management, balancing caution with calculated risk. Community impact, understanding the role of business in society. Trust me, you need to sharpen your awareness across all these dimensions to progress your career. If you have felt stuck when trying to analyze a business situation or come up with a solid plan, that moment where you're spinning your wheels, unsure about where to start. Here's the thing, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. There are proven tools and frameworks designed to help you navigate even the toughest challenges. Here are just a few examples. Have you heard of value chain analysis, the Ansoff matrix, the business model canvas, or even value proposition framework? There's a one plan for strategy in one page, Blue Ocean framework, marketing 7S, and the 7 Ps. How about A3 problem solving? There are financial metrics like ROI, break-even, and cash flow. These tools are like a GPS for your career, helping you to simplify complex problems and convert them into actionable plans. Join us and let's make this happen. Understand how tools can help you improve your business acumen. We've all read the books, skimmed the articles, and watched the tutorials. But let me ask you, have you ever wished you could actually practice what you've learned before putting it into play? That's where hands-on learning comes in. It's about taking what you know, testing it, refining it, and so when the moment comes, you're ready to act with confidence. Imagine this scenario. Your company's sales have dropped, and it's up to you to figure out why and create a plan to turn things around. Where do you begin? What the root cause? How do you analyze the situation to decide on a course of action and then get buy-in from your team or your superiors? So let's roll our sleeves and build these skills to solve real problems. Think about the lessons you have learned from your own experiences. Most of these insights have shaped the way you approach your work today. Maybe you've also shared advice with someone else or sought wisdom from a mentor. This program is designed and delivered by academics and professionals who have achieved success. We are taking their expertise, experience, and knowledge and turning it into a stepping stone for your benefit. Let's deepen your understanding together. Our motto is, you need not be a jack of all trades, but be a master of one, business acumen. You now want to boost your career, but aren't sure what to do or where to begin. That feeling of untapped potential. Here's the truth. You're closer than you think if you can learn business thinking, analysis, and application. Your career will grow once you become a true contributor to your organization's success and you add value. You will learn how to do it from seasoned professionals and gain exposure to diverse perspectives. Put your new holistic business knowledge and skills into action, and results, let me tell you, are guaranteed. So take that first step. Let me ask you one last thing. Can you afford to wait? Promotions, opportunities, and recognition are all within reach. But if you're not stepping up, someone else definitely will. Are you ready to take the leap? Plug the skill gap to take control of your career. Once you're a master in the art of business acumen, you will become a business savvy professional. Imagine the doors that this will ultimately open. Sign up today and let's start building your personal growth plan and write your success story. Contact us to get a link to test your business acumen. And of course, the program details. Absolutely free as a limited offer. Thank you and hooroo for now.